friends. If you're a part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I have my daughter who's going to be joining me in this video. So for today's video, I know I had posted I think last week a video about how Ipsy had emailed me and I had to choose the item that I wanted to get in my October ultimate bag, and I did choose it. I showed you guys what I was gonna get, and I showed you the items that the options that I had gotten because those were possible spoilers. Well, today's October 2nd and I got my email this morning letting me know all 12 items that I will be getting. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys because obviously you guys might be getting a lot of these products as well if you guys are trying the ultimate, which I am this month. I will give you my thoughts and opinions after we're done, but here we go, let's start. Okay, so the very first thing that we're gonna get now with the ultimate is an actual cosmetic bag. Initially with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the one that's 25 bucks a month and you get 5 full-size products, initially they were sending me makeup bags and then they stopped. They sent me an email, they're like, hey, we're gonna forego the bags just to increase the quality in the products you're gonna get. And I was like, okay, yeah, sure. But now with the ultimate, we are getting a bag and hopefully it's a big one because I love cosmetic bags. Here's, I'm gonna show you a picture of the one that I will be getting. And this one is part of, like I told you guys, they were partnering with Betty Boop. And they were gonna have an eyeshadow palette and a blush and all that. Well, I'm not gonna get the eyeshadow palette, but I am gonna get the cosmetic bag that it's black and it has like a little Betty Boop figurine on it, like a silhouette. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, so let's start with the very first item. And the very first item that I will be getting is actually a perfume. I don't know the actual size or the amount. I don't know if it's a full size, I don't know. But it is a perfume. I've never gotten perfume. I'm picky with perfumes. I only have one that I use that I love, but I'll try it, it's fine.
It can last 6 months.
Yeah, the ones that I had, that one that I have lasts 6 months. So this one is by, again, I'm gonna butcher the name. Y'all know me, I butcher names all the time. It's the Nanette Lepore Beautiful Times perfume. Top notes of bright orange and juice red fruits with a burst of freshness. All right, our next item, I have them here on my phone, but like I said, I always insert a picture so they're able to see it, right? So the next item was actually one that I got to choose, but I didn't choose it, but I got it anyway, which is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And this is used to wipe away your makeup. A lot of these products, they don't tell you if they're full size or not. They show you a picture and the picture may look like it's full size, but again, I'm only getting 8 full size and 5 deluxe size. So this one looks like it might be a full size. This is what that one looks like. All right, I'm getting a lot of skincare. It's not that I don't like skincare, I just prefer makeup over skincare, you know. But we're getting another skincare, which is a mask. I'm getting a natural avocado and shea butter mask. And it's a set, so it's a set of 2. So I'm guessing both count as one item. But I'm getting 2, and yeah, I like masks. I don't love them, I like them. But I can't wait to try these. All right, next item is also a mask. So I'm getting 2 masks. Again, I don't love masks. I don't hate them, I don't love them. That's why I'm like, I'm getting 2 masks. Well, I might use it on her then. I might give her one of these. So this one is the Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. And this one looks like it might be deluxe size. I don't know. All right, so for our next item, I'm getting another skincare item, and this is the Purelisse. I love Purelisse, and they include a lot of Purelisse products in the Ipsy bag, Glam, in the Ipsy bags. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I do love moisturizers. I don't mind getting 2 moisturizers in a bag, but I'm getting 2 masks. I'm like, eesh. I don't know how to let them know, hey, listen, just tone it down on the skincare and increase the makeup, right? Yeah. So this is the other item I'm gonna get. the next two products I think are deluxe size. The first one is the, sorry, the Cest Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss in Opulence. So I'm getting a lip gloss. I don't think I've ever gotten a lip gloss here on Ipsy, but this one looks like it might be a deluxe size, okay? And the color is really pretty. It's like a pearly pink. And the next one, which again I think it's a deluxe size, is called the Colored Rain by Colored Rain Cosmetics eyeshadow in the color Glamour. It's a very like champagne-y golden shimmer color. All right, next item is a skincare item, and this is the it's like, why? This is the Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Well, I guess it is a makeup. It's a makeup because it's a primer. Okay. So it is I don't know again if it's a full size or a deluxe size, but it is a primer for it's a hydrating primer. I tend to have more oily skin, so I feel like whenever they send me primers, it's like for dry skin and not for oily skin. I don't know how to flip that switch and let them know, hey, I don't have dry skin, I have oily skin, so send me primers for oily skin. But hey, winter's coming and it can't get drying, and maybe I will need some hydrating primer. I don't know, we'll see. All right, the next item is from the Betty Boop collection, and I'm going to be getting the Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. I showed you guys this in my possible spoilers, and I'm glad I'm getting it because the colors are beautiful. All right, 3 items left. The next one is definitely a skincare item, and I'm getting the, I'm gonna butcher this. The brand is called BioRace, and it is the Low Hydrating Treatment Serum. Apparently serums you use before moisturizers, because in the instructions here it said put on the serum, then put on a moisturizer. What is the difference between a serum and a moisturizer? If you know, let me know. Because I use serums like moisturizers. Just saying. So I'm gonna be getting that one. The next item was in my spoilers, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it or not because it was one of the options that I could have chosen from the set of items they sent me. But I'm getting the Farrah Brushes Midnight Pro Trio. I let you guys know in my spoiler, like I said, I couldn't find not one picture of all 3, but I found it. I have it. And here's a picture of the brushes, a set of 3. One, I think it's a foundation brush, a blush brush, and then like a stippling brush for like contouring, I think. I love brushes, so thank you, Ipsy.
Wow, you have so many brushes.
I do have a lot of brushes. I do. And the last item is the item you guys should know already if you follow me, or if you watch my other video, is the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Topaz. And it has a like burnt oranges. It's perfect for the fall. That's why I chose it. All right, guys, so that is about it. Those are the items. Out of these items, 8 are going to be full size, 4 deluxe. I can't know for sure which ones are gonna be deluxe and which ones are gonna be full size, but either way, I'm excited to try all these products, even the skincare. And you know what I do sometimes? If I know that I'm not gonna use the product, I re-gift it. I like the holidays are coming, and I think any of these items will be a really cool gift idea for like my mom or my sisters or the females in my life. I think because they're really good quality products. I don't know. So that was like another reason why I got the ultimate, because I'm like, the holidays are coming and these will be really cool gifts to re-gift, right? So anyways, that's about it, guys. Let me know if you guys are getting these items or what items you guys will be getting. I will be very excited to know. Love you guys. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself, and we will see you in my next video. Say bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. Alright, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.